finish off. Rishan.
Okay, then I think we should start with this one is Rishan.
Yeah.
Right.
We let
Okay.
him finish. Yeah.
Ishan, hi everyone.
I'm back. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Rishan, shall we start?
Say yes. Say
Yes.
hi everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Say beautiful.
Beautiful side.
Fill us with.
Believe.
उधर देखो.
Do you know
हाँ.
that is
हाँ.
Diwali?
Diwali. Okay. A festival to celebrate.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ma'am was both Seema ma'am, Shukla
Yes,
ma'am and Mirza ma'am was Rishan absolutely clear?
Yes.
He
Yes.
was clear. He was clear. This
Wow.
was sound was clear. We could hear him
Wow.
recite the poem.
And
Yes.
it was all about parental and sisterly contribution also and collaboration. They were
Yes,
trying
yes.
their best to help. So that is great. Now, is Shavir ready or we'll have Ayush?
Ma'am, we
Arav?
can start with Shavir.
Okay, Shavir, 1 minute. Let me first pin him. Shavir, all ready? I hope he is reciting on his own will. He's not being forced to do so.
No, ma'am, he'll do on his own.
Wonderful. Let's start.
Yes,
Come on,
Shavir.
hero. Come on, champ.
1, 2, 3, start. Start with hello. Loudly.
Hello.
Hello.
Shavir. Nida, please start with hello like we did.
Don't worry, I'll send your recordings of the practice session also.
Shavir. It's like we practice
Hello.
loudly. Udhar dekho.
Hello. Okay.
Hmm.
Hello.
Hello, Shavir.
Start. Start the poem.
Okay.
Loudly.
Yeah.
हाँ.
With our cousins, with our friends, we eat many sweets, we firecracker. We worship Goddess Lakshmi.
Loudly. We are very.
We are very happy because Diwali is our favorite festival.
Last. Sorry. Last. Happy. Last.
Happy Diwali.
Raise your hand like
Diwali.
this.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. जान क्या कहते हैं जान छुट्टी लाखों पाए हाँ is it बेचारा okay now we'll just do a little tic tac toe Shivanshu can we have you because you were the first one to join in and I wanted to check out on your patience so come on Shivanshu is here from the spoken English slide 2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shan Shifla, and today I'm going to recite a poem. It's the season to pay a visit to all our friends and relatives, to hand them over sweets and presents. Diwali is our splendid chance, but while you spend the time, while you spend the time a joy, don't think it's a merriment all the way. Out there, many of those for whom it's no time to be gay, denied of laughter and smile for days. They know not what is it to enjoy. Can you not share something you have? Can you not bring them a little joy when you when you can make someone else smile, when you can be someone else someone alive, that's when you call yourself. That's when you call yourself be glad. That's when you will have a happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of my teachers and friends.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Shivanshu, just a few questions. Your poem was about whom? Whom would you like to bring a smile upon? Whose face?
My mother, father, brother, and my
And
teacher.
all the
And
underprivileged
friends.
children also?
Yes,
All the underprivileged children also?
yes, ma'am.
Great. So thank you so much and God bless you. So we must bring a smile on everybody's face. Now there are two AAs left, Ayush and Arav. So we'll do tic-tac-toe, round I go. If I miss, I take this. Okay, Ayush, since Arav is has got a lot of patience, I've seen. Okay, come on. Great.
Good morning. Good evening. My name is Ayush Kumar. I study in class 6C in GD Goenka Public School. Today I am here to recite a poem on Diwali. With happiness to all and sorrow to none, the festival of lights, Diwali has come. The streets shine with candles light, the festive lamps to all delight. Children are out with crackers in their hands. The fireworks sound like musical bands. Elders exchange gifts and sweets. With love each one to other greets. Triumph of good over evil shows. Diwali is the festival of lights everyone knows. Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali. Okay. Great. And Ayush aspires to become a rider, a horse rider, right?
Okay.
Right. So he loves riding and he loves practicing a lot also. So wonderful. Thank you, Ayush. Over here now, last but not the least is Arav. And ma'am, after that, just one video I would like you to hear, that is of Maham after this.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Arav, last but not the least, as important as everybody else, Arav.
Hello everyone, I am here to recite a poem on Diwali. Ma'am, may I start?
Yes, sure.
Yes, please.
Pearls of gleams in these autumn nights adorn our lives else bright, with sparklers that motley skies, as soaring spirits of powder wander, let us thank the heavenly might in this festive season of lights. The clear blue sky, the scent of flowers, the colors of rangoli and the sound of crackers, the gifts and the sweets from dear ones, and the getting of the love, the light of the candles below and the dazzling fireworks up above, lighting lamps at our homes, making the less fortunate smile, putting on new apparels, show our friends some style, paying
Good.
respects to the gods and decorating for them the thali. This is what the occasion is all about. This is the spirit of Deepavali.
Happy
Happy Diwali.
Diwali. Happy Diwali. Okay, very good. And yes, we must stress upon each word, clarity, pronunciation. That is what we are being marked upon. Good. Now, am I audible to everybody? Am I audible? Some network issue over here.
Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am.
Ma'am, Maham's mother has been diagnosed with dengue.
Okay. Okay.
So that is why she is unable to participate. But in spite of that, her father has recorded and sent the video. So kindly please do judge.
My name is Maha Khan. The name of the poem is
Ma'am, is it clear, the sound?
So far it is clear.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I just put her on mute, so I wanted to ask you all.
Yes.
everyone. My name is Maha Khan. The name of the poem is Diwali. Here goes the poem. Beautiful sweet sight fills us with delight. Do you know it is Diwali? Diyas lit in every corner, Rangoli patterns in every house. A festival to celebrate the victory of good over evil, God over devil. Let's celebrate Diwali, a festival so holy. With this pledge, we will fight evil and support good. So long as we are in this world. Happy Diwali. Thank you. Good evening.
Somewhere it was a little
My name is
not very clear.
Okay, ma'am, can I just play it once again?
Please, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Just
My name is Ma.
thank you for being so patient, all of you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Maha Khan. The name of the poem is Diwali. Here goes the poem. Beautiful sweet sight fills us with delight. Do you know it is Diwali? Diyas lit in every corner, Rangoli patterns in every house. A festival to celebrate the victory of good over evil, God over devil. Let's celebrate Diwali, a festival so holy. With this pledge, we will fight evil and support good. So long as we are in this world. Happy Diwali. Thank you.
Ma'am, was it clear now?
Saima, somewhere I could not hear the words clearly.
Okay, ma'am,
otherwise the
I will
expression-
just share the video with you, ma'am.
Yes, the expression and all were very good. Only thing
Yes, ma'am.
somewhere she was not clear.
Ma'am, I'll just share it, the video with you all, even Shanvi's, so that each word and we are just to everybody, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, anybody, I
All
hope
right.
we have not left out anybody. Everybody has participated.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Samira. Samira
Yes, ma'am.
is not there.
ma'am, we have reached home. Can we have shall we try again?